Hi guys, it's good to see you all back again. Today we are going to see what spices help you lose that flab around your waist, which helps you burn fat faster. These 7 spices I love that will help you lose weight and belly fat as well, reduce inflammation, boost your immunity, and they are loaded with anti-aging compounds. Throughout this video, I'll be showing you how to get them in your daily life. We all know that losing weight is not an easy task and maintaining it in your busy day-to-day routine is even tougher. When it comes to losing weight, it depends on your nutrition, how well balanced your diet is. Fad diets never work. You may lose a few kilos initially with those diets, but it will come back and you will put on even more weight. It depends on having a right balanced nutritious food along with regular exercise. Over exercising doesn't help you either. You need to listen to your body when you exercise. And it also depends on your sleep. I don't mean the quantity of sleep, whether you sleep 8 hours, 10 hours or 5 hours. I mean the quality of your sleep. It's very important for weight loss. Many people think that the building of your muscle tone happens when you exercise. No, but it actually happens when you sleep. You need a sound, peaceful sleep to lose weight. There are many of us who try to control their cravings for unhealthy junk food, which promotes weight gain and other lifestyle diseases as well. However, I don't mean that we should avoid eating pasta, pizza or cake, anything totally. It's not possible in real life. We can do it for a short period of time, maybe for a week or for a month to lose weight, or even in some cases, maybe for 3 months, to lose weight. But in the long run, see, imagine you're sitting at work after a great healthy breakfast and someone is offering you a birthday cake or a chocolate chip cookie. It's too hard to resist sometimes, I know that, because it's okay to give in now and then. But the idea is to have a self-discipline towards eating. It's okay to eat one cookie with a cup of tea with your friends, but we need to have the self-discipline not to eat the whole pack of cookies. You know what I mean? Yeah, moderation is the key for weight loss. Moreover, following fad diets may give you short-term results, but they may wreck your health in the long run. We need to be sensible in what we eat. There are a few natural spices that are easily available that can definitely help you achieve your weight loss goals. You must maintain a regular workout regime and a healthy and balanced diet, but these 7 spices can give you an extra boost. If you have more fat around your belly and waist, then just counting the calories may not be entirely sufficient. While a healthy diet and regular exercise plan may help manage your weight and reduce belly fat, the last few inches of belly fat are far more complicated to get rid of. You know what I mean? Have you seen people who have lost weight recently? Lot of weight. Most of them have big flab around their waist and very flabby arms. Their body is kind of improportionate. They look skinnier around the face and shoulder, but the midsection is huge. That's because they can't get rid of the fat around their waist. It takes a calculated and consistent plan to shed the last few inches around the belly. These spices give you that extra boost to shed that fat. The more toxins you have in your body, the more difficult it is to lose weight. When you have inflammation in your body, it is difficult to lose weight. And then acidity, If your body is acidic, we all know, no matter what exercises you do, it'll be hard to lose weight. And your metabolic rate. The higher your metabolic rate, the more calories you burn, even when you are sitting in your office working or even while watching TV. These 7 spices I love and I use them to burn fat when it comes to immunity, and they are loaded with anti-aging compounds. Rather than using cosmetics to look good, I believe in using the inside-out approach. What if I fed my body the right foods that have anti-aging compounds that naturally make me look young, which naturally makes my skin soft as well? That's going to work better for you in the long run without any side effects. Let's get straight into these 7 spices which have anti-inflammatory properties and anti-aging compounds. They are good for acidity. They are traditional spices that increase your immunity. They increase your metabolic rate and help you lose that fat around your belly. I'm sure there are many more good spices around the world in many cultures, but these are my favorite and I use them. These are Indian spices, easily available. They're always there in an Indian kitchen. The first spice is turmeric. It's yellow gold. It's anti-inflammatory. It's antimicrobial. It's an immunity booster. You can use it in Indian cooking, any Indian cooking. You can use it in all the curries you cook. I use it in my everyday cooking, and my favorite is turmeric tea. I have turmeric tea every day. I've already made a video on how to make turmeric tea in 2 different ways. I'll update the link here in the description box so you can have a look at it. You can also give it to your kids. You can make turmeric milk, that's called golden milk. Just boil a little bit of organic turmeric powder in a glass of milk and add a teaspoon of honey at the end. This makes a great drink before bedtime. It also prevents colds and infections. The next spice is ginger. The ginger helps you lose weight and also strengthens your immune system. You can include ginger in your diet in a number of ways. You can include it in your cooking, everyday cooking. You can slice them small and add it to your khichdi, upma and ginger garlic paste in all your curries. You can also add grated ginger in your stir-fried vegetables as well. You can also make good old Indian masala chai with ginger and cardamom. It's very good for you. I make ginger juice, which is very simple to make, and my kids drink it too. I'll show it to you straight away. And this ginger juice also works great for your menstrual cramps. Ginger juice will detox your body, regulates your cholesterol and blood sugar levels too. It prevents aging as well. Let us see how to make it straight away. First, whenever you use ginger, always take the skin off because the skin has got a little bit of poison. You know, if you eat the skin, it's not going to kill you. It's not really that strong, but that will give you indigestion. So first, always remove the skin off. Take about 1-inch piece and cut them into really julienne, small pieces. Add it to your pan. Add a glass of water and boil this and reduce it into half. Strain this into a cup and add a teaspoon of honey. And that's it. It's very simple to make ginger juice. And the third important spice for weight loss is black pepper. You can add black pepper powder to almost all your curries and salads, to all your cooking. And the next spice for weight loss is cayenne pepper. This is extremely pungent, believe me. It's a great spice to increase your metabolic rate and burn fat. You can only use a very little dash of this cayenne pepper because it's too pungent and too strong. You can use it in cooking. I use a pinch of this with lemon juice. That gives the lemon juice a different flavor. This is cayenne pepper. It's available everywhere these days. And please remember to use only a little bit. It's very strong. Then the next important spice is cinnamon. I'm talking about the Sri Lankan rolled cinnamon like this. It's proven that cinnamon has a positive impact on blood sugar levels. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory. You can add it to your teas, smoothies, or even to a glass of milk. It gives a great flavor too. And the next important spice for weight loss is cardamom. Cardamom is great for acidity. That's the reason they have coffee mixed with a little bit of cardamom powder in it. We all know that coffee is acidic. This little bit of cardamom powder cuts the acid levels. It's a great metabolic booster again. And the 7th spice is cumin. You can add it to your curries, lentils, or you can make tea with it. This is great for burning fat and to have a good digestion. You can mix and match these spices to increase the consumption in your daily life. When you have your lemon water in the morning, you can mix a little bit of cayenne pepper to it. You can absolutely make tea with everything else. You can mash a piece of ginger and cardamom, boil it in a cup of water and strain it. That's your ginger tea. I would make this super powerful weight loss tea with ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, turmeric powder and pepper powder. And add a little bit of honey at the end. It makes an amazing evening tea. I would add a cup of water and then add all these spices together and boil it and reduce it into half. And strain this into a cup and add a teaspoon of honey to it. This tea is anti-inflammatory and it's very powerful to lose weight. And you can make a jeera cumin tea as well. You can just boil 1 teaspoon of jeera in a glass of water and add a little bit of honey at the end. That makes a great bedtime tea. These 7 spices are very powerful when it comes to weight loss. I've replaced my tea and coffee with these 5 teas. You need to include these spices along with a very balanced diet and a regular exercise as well. Remember, you are what you eat. I hope this video is helpful to your weight loss journey, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye everyone.